our room service breakfast. I ordered for 6:45 a.m. They came right on time at 6:44. They did forget our eggs, but that's all right. To the spa this morning. We are doing 2 80-minute massages, and you can go to hydrotherapy first, so that is like an hour-long water circuit, and watch for specials. They have specials on the app, and the spa ladies also walk around the pool and the beach. So we are paying $330 for 2 80-minute relaxing massages. Let's go. Stop, sauna for 5 minutes. Wow. 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 Oh my God. That's real cool.
All right, plunge pool and then the steam room. Cool.
Alright, so I don't know if you can see us, but we're in the steam room 5 minutes. Just got out of the cold pool and it was freezing. Coldest plunge pool by far in a hydrotherapy circuit that I've ever done.
Walk around and two. 1, 2. Walk, circulation.
Okay, 1 and 2. Okay. So you first walk through, and the first set of rocks is hot, and the next is freezing cold, just like the plunge pool. You do this 2 times. So we're going to do 1 minute under each of the water features, and this is kind of like bath water. It's kind of like room temperature, not too warm, definitely not cold. After hydrotherapy, you come into the relaxing room while you wait for your therapist. Cheers. And now we're in our couples treatment room. The spa was heavenly. It was exactly what we needed before traveling home today. And I know the prices can be steep, and some people would prefer to walk down the beach to find a massage hut and pay $40. I just much prefer the luxurious, can't even speak after that, the luxurious experience that the in-house spa provides. Highly recommend. It's another beautiful day here. We really lucked out this whole week. The only time it rained was at night or in the morning, but now it's time to go home. Cheers.
Cheers, Cozumel.
A little garden here. And we've seen the same gentleman tending to it all week. Super cute. We're gonna have our last lunch here at Oceana. And they're setting up for the New Year's Eve celebration. All right, change of plans. Oceana was closed because they were setting up for New Year's. They sent us over to Market Cafe. However, they extended the breakfast hours and it wasn't going to be lunch until 12:45. So now they're saying we can get a little lunch at the preferred lounge as we check out. So we're gonna give that a whirl. If all else fails, we'll eat at the airport. We're certainly not gonna starve. So we're all checked out. It is still breakfast here until noon, even though the menu does say 11 a.m. We don't know. They're, I think they're gonna bring us out some salads and maybe some French fries and whatever the kitchen is gonna whip up in there for us. We don't know. So we're probably just gonna eat at the airport. But it's been a really great vacation. I liked it here. It's a real laid-back resort, so it's not as fancy as other secrets, but it definitely has its own charm, and we had a really, really great vacation. So I hope you'll continue watching our next adventures and see where we head off to.
Thank you.
Time to go, my friend. Time to go.